Banana and mango bread. A soup from Dominica. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. In a bowl, cream the butter with sugar until fluffy, beat in eggs, one at a time, until incorporated. Step 2. In another bowl, combine self-raising flour with salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Step 3. Combine mashed bananas with mango puree. Step 4. Mix the dry ingredients and banana mixture, alternately, into the creamed mixture until batter is just combined. Fold in raisins and nuts. Step 5. Pour batter into 2 greased 8.5 by 4.5 inch loaf pans. Step 6. Bake at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes or until cake tester inserted in the center tests done. Step 7. Leave in pan for 10 minutes, remove form loaf pans and let cool on racks. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.